Hi gang, I'm Mike, and this is Finally Garage. As you can see, I've got the car pushed over to the side on dollies. I haven't released any videos because I haven't really done any work directly on the car in the last week and a half or so. And the reason that I've pushed the car off to the side is I have some side projects going in here. You can't see it, but I have an air compressor back here that I've installed or am in the process of installing. Got a couple other little items that, tools that I've gotten that I'm playing around with. I was doing a review on my swamp cooler, but I've also been doing some reorganizing, moving some stuff out of the attic so I can have some space to put some of these parts that I'm pulling off the car. And I'll have videos on all that, but I do have some video I previously shot removing the trim from around the side windows and doors. So I thought I would put together a short video of that, so let's get to it. So the next trim challenge is this piece of stainless on the rain gutter over the door. And I've heard all kinds of recommendations. You have to pry this thing out. Let me show you here. You have to pry it out this way. Get this door open. You have to pry it out this way. And catching, it's just a little lip that you catch right here. You can barely even just get my fingernails underneath there. And you pry that out this way and it kind of pops off. And I've seen all kinds of suggestions on YouTube about tools you can use to do this. Someone suggested, a few people have suggested using an aluminum bottle cap opener. Interestingly enough, I could not find one online that was more than 2.5 inches long, and I actually ordered one of those and it was just way too small to even hook on here. And as far as like just the ones that I was thinking of, the big, like a 5 or 6 inch one, probably 5 inch one, couldn't find one online. So the other thing someone recommended was this type of bottle opener, suggesting that the plastic helps protect the metal when you're trying to pry it. And I couldn't even get it to hook onto the lip. It like just slips off. So that was an experiment. Didn't really work. I tried this on the other side basically. And so what I ended up doing was I ended up modifying a pair of vice grips. See that? So basically I just cut a groove in the bottom lip of this vice grip, and I cut it out so that it in here, cut it out so it fits right on that lip and then hits against the body. And actually I just use this thing to kind of cushion it and give it a little more angle. And that latches right on to the little lip. And I tested this out on the other side of the car, seemed to work well. So let's go ahead and do that. right, so that did a pretty good job. Couple little spots where there's just some really minor damage. That I'll have to work out. Otherwise, you know, stainless looks good. It does get a little twisted when you pull it off. So, you know, to kind of work it a little straighter, although I think some of that'll kind of work itself out when you put it back on. But other than that, yeah, it seemed to work pretty well.